What a little cutie. Are you looking to start a flock of your own, or at least add to it, but you just don't know where to get your next set of little chickies from? Don't worry, you're at the right spot. Today, we're going to share with you 3 of our top spots for purchasing your own set of chickies. Hi, I'm Danielle from the Split Arrow Farm, and welcome to our channel where we're taking you along in our journey of starting a homestead. Today, I'm going to go over the top 3 places that you can get chicks, and I'm saving my best for last, so you're definitely going to want to stay tuned. First up, one of the best spots and easiest to purchase your set of little chickies is going to be purchasing them online. So you can head to any chicken hatchery. I'll include some links below of 2 of my favorite hatcheries and where we're ordering some of our chicks this year. So you can kind of get a glimpse on the spots that you can check yours out from. Now, the thing to remember here is usually you'll have to get them in a little bit of larger quantities, and with the shipping, sometimes it will cause about 10% of the flock to perspire along the journey. So you're gonna wanna make sure that you get just a little bit of extra chicks so you are prepared for that, because probably 1 or 2 will pass away, unfortunately. And these will usually get shipped either directly to your house or they'll be shipped to a postal office, and you'll have around 24 hours to pick up your order. Now, something to think about, we purchased ours, but there was some snow and rain, so it actually delayed our packages. So you'll want to keep a close eye on the postal, make sure that everything is good to go there. He's quite the noisy one. Well, you're definitely going to want to stay tuned if you're interested in learning more about breeds, because we are going to do a deep dive into each of the different breeds and the pros and cons of each. And to give away a hint, some of them are a bit noisier than others. So you'll definitely want to hit that subscribe button if you aren't a part of our community and follow along in our journey. Talking about community, the second best way to get your own flock of your own is going to be through community. So this is going to be from farm swaps or joining Facebook groups in the area. I love Facebook groups. They're so wonderful. So if you aren't a part of them already, then I definitely suggest joining some chick, farm, or homestead groups in your area, and there are always people looking to swap out some of their new little hatchlings. My third and favorite method of getting chicks of your own is by heading to your local mill stores. So these are actually from Tractor Supply, and we're going to show you a little bit of our journey of getting these guys. But it is such a great experience. It brings in the whole family, and it really does get to teach you a little bit more about your flock, as well as pick up some supplies. So you'll definitely want to reach out to some of your local mill stores. They're usually selling chicks in the spring and fall, but let's head into some of the footage that we took while we got our little guys. Over here we got some Southern Ramblers, Cornish Cross, Easter egg layers. We're gonna get a couple of them, and a little bantams. Those are our top 3 ways of adding chickens to your flock or starting a flock of your own. Please comment down below how you guys are adding to your flock, and we'll see you guys again next time. Bye.